What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are doing an overview of the Hepco and Becker Sportrack. The Hepco and Becker Sportrack is an extremely versatile piece of kit that you can throw on your motorcycle. It essentially is a quick detach rear rack, and the way it works is it replaces your OEM rear seat. So with a twist of a key, you pull your OEM rear seat on. This uses the seat's locking mechanism, slot it in, and you're good to go. The rack, is locked to the seat now. And if you want to remove it, twist the key, pull it off, put your factory seat back on. It is that easy. Now, the reason the Sport Rack is so great is because it is compatible with a wide variety of products from not only Hepco and Becker, but other manufacturers as well. So this Sport Rack is compatible with all of Hepco and Becker's locket bags, such as tank bags and rear bags, universal top cases, enlargement racks. It's even got strap loop cutouts so you can attach any luggage that utilizes straps to the rear of your bike. It really is universal, and since there's so many different types of products from Hepco and Becker, you can add onto this rack to make it basically function the way that you want or need. If you want to carry a duffel bag on the back of your bike, throw the enlargement rack on top of this thing and you can strap the duffel bag down and be ready to go. It honestly is absolutely fantastic, and I've ran it on every motorcycle that I've owned so far. I love it that much. And we're about to put this on my personal bike again because it is so great. Like, I cannot put into words how much I love this thing and how ingenious that this rack is, simply because of the fact that you can make it fit any situation that you'd like. All right, we're basically just gonna pre-install all of the hardware and everything onto the Sport Rack so that it's ready to go and we can show you what clipping it onto the seat looks like. But with all that being said, let's dive in. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.